On December 24, 2024, a big fire tore through a warehouse in Yelabuga, Russia. This wasn't just any warehouse. It held parts for hundreds of Shahed 136 drones, which are important to Russia's military. The fire sent huge clouds of black smoke into the sky. Pictures of the fire quickly spread online, and people started wondering what caused it and how much damage was done. The warehouse, located in the Yelabuga Special Economic Zone, is over 800 miles from the Ukrainian border. This distance, once thought safe, wasn't enough to protect it. The fire caused a lot of damage, with early guesses saying around $16 million worth of drone parts were lost. This is a big financial hit for Russia, especially since its military is already dealing with equipment shortages and losses in the war with Ukraine. No one officially knows what started the fire, but Ukrainian officials quickly said they were responsible. The Ukrainian Main Intelligence Directorate, or GUR, said the warehouse held important parts for building Shahed 136 drones. They said the facility had 65 drone bodies, engines, navigation systems, and thermal imaging cameras. Enough, they claimed, to build about 400 Shahed 136 drones. The Yelabuga facility, open since July 2023, has been a problem for Ukraine since it started. It was built to make Albatross reconnaissance drones and Russian versions of Iranian Shahed drones. These drones have become a big symbol of the Russia-Ukraine war, showing both the advanced technology and the increasing violence. This recent fire isn't the first problem for the facility. In April 2024, it was attacked and damaged in a similar incident, showing how important it is and how vulnerable Russia's military buildings are. The use of Shahed drones in the war, especially against Ukrainian cities, has made many countries angry and worried about what will happen next. These drones are cheap to make but can cause a lot of damage and scare civilians. Iran is said to be giving these drones to Russia, making things even more complicated. Even with lots of evidence and pressure, Iran says it has nothing to do with giving drones to Russia. Iran says its drone program is only for defense, and that it doesn't want them used in the Ukraine war. But Western governments and intelligence agencies don't believe Iran, saying technical information and secret messages prove Iran is involved. Shahed drones have changed things for Russia in the Ukraine war. They're cheap and pretty effective, making them valuable, especially since the war has become a long fight. Russia has been using these drones more and more to hit targets far inside Ukraine, attacking important buildings, military sites, and civilian areas. This tactic helps Russia, but many people don't like it because it hurts Ukrainian civilians. To make the Shahed drones even better, Russia has been adding new technology. By adding thermobaric warheads, Russian Kometa navigation units, and Chinese control boards, the drones have become more deadly and accurate. These changes, first seen in November 2023, show that Russia is serious about using and improving available technology to make its military stronger. The destruction of the drone parts warehouse in Yelabuga is a big problem for Russia. It messes up their supply chain, makes important parts harder to get, and forces them to rethink their drone program's safety. For now, Russia might use more missiles or artillery to make up for the lost Shahed drones. But this could be expensive and less effective, and it might show other weaknesses in their military. The Yelabuga incident also shows that Russia's military buildings are vulnerable. Even places far from the fighting can be attacked. This might make Russia increase security at its military sites, which could take resources away from the front lines and put even more stress on its military.